So, you've got unusual suspects. This is a super fun, cooperative party game where it's all about figuring out how your friends think. It's deduction, it's hilarious debates, and it's all about reading the room. In this quick explainer, we're going to get you ready to crack your first case.
Okay, so here's the deal. A crime's been committed, and you've got a witness. But here's the catch. They can't remember what the thief looked like. What they do remember are the little things, their habits, their personality, their whole vibe. It's up to your team to use these weird clues to pick the real culprit out of a lineup of 12 suspects.
Right. Let's talk about the game's objective.
So the goal here is pretty simple, actually. You're not trying to find the guilty person right away. Instead, you're working together to prove everyone else is innocent. You need to eliminate all 11 innocent suspects so that only the one true culprit is left standing.
Okay, so how do we set this thing up? It's just 5 simple steps. First, you'll get the question deck and the guilty party deck ready. Then, you'll create your pool of suspects. After that, you've got to choose who's going to be the witness. And finally, that witness secretly finds out who the culprit is.
So for that suspect pool, just give the suspect cards a good shuffle and lay out 12 of them face up in a 3x4 grid. These 12 people, they're your entire investigation. You can put the rest of the suspect cards right back in the box.
Now everyone's got a role to play, and there are 2 types. You've got one player who is the witness. They're the only one who knows who the guilty party is. Everybody else, you guys are the detectives. Your job is to ask the questions and figure out who to clear based on the witness's very simple yes or no answers.
Okay, setup's done, roles are assigned. Let's talk about how to actually play around.
So how does an investigation actually work? Well, it's pretty structured. Every single round is broken down into 3 really simple phases.
You've got questioning, then trial, and you finish with the verdict. Let's quickly go through what happens in each one.
First up is questioning. Pretty straightforward. A detective just draws a question card and reads it out loud. Something like, do they own a record player? The witness, who knows who the real culprit is, thinks about that person and then gives a one-word answer, either yes or no.
And that brings us to the trial. This is where the real fun is. Based on that yes or no, all the detectives get to debate. They'll argue about who they think is innocent based on that clue. So if the witness said no to the record player question, you're going to look for people who look like they definitely would own one and you'll clear them. And here's the rule. You have to eliminate at least one person every round.
And when you eliminate a suspect, you just flip their card face down. And this is absolutely crucial, you have to be careful. If you accidentally flip over the card of the actual guilty party, game over. Everybody loses right then and there.
And the last phase is the verdict. This is super quick. Once you're done eliminating suspects for the round, you just jot down how many you cleared on the little investigation pad. It's just a way to keep track of how you're doing.
All right, so you just keep playing rounds like that over and over. But how do you actually win or lose?
It really boils down to 2 things. You win as a team if you manage to clear all 11 innocent suspects, leaving only the real culprit face up. On the flip side, you all lose the moment you accidentally eliminate the guilty party. So yeah, the stakes are pretty high. Now, before you jump into your first game, I've got one really important tip for you, and this one is mainly for the witness. This is probably the single most important rule in the whole game. We call it the witness rule. If you're the witness, you can only say yes or no. That's it. No little hints, no winking, no groaning when the detectives are way off, nothing. The entire challenge, the whole fun of the game, is for the detectives to figure out what's going on in your head with just those 2 little words. And really, that's everything you need to know. You've got the rules, you've got the intel. So get your team together, pick your witness, and get out there and solve the case.